guys, TraderJud here with the weekly charting series. This is week number 6, chart number 5. I do go over 10 different pairs every single week. I go over 3 time frames per pair, the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour time frame, just to give you some insight on what we could see in the weeks coming up. For pair number 5, it's GbpNzd. On the weekly time frame, last week's candlestick was a bullish engulfing candle, which I was expecting. I have this horizontal line drawn, which is based off of the B point of this bat pattern that is drawn. We did get a break of this trend line, a break above this trend line, where we could see another bullish weekly candle. We should get some sort of retest of this trend line before going bullish, which you'll see more so in the lower time frames. But I'm not gonna say that we can't see any bearish momentum. But I do expect to see more bullish movement out of this pair, specifically because we see so many rejections of this B level, of the previous market structure level. All of these candlesticks have respected that level. Even this massive pin bar that we have right here from a number of weeks ago respected that level, and price has stayed above, continuously fighting the 2 EMAs. So let's go ahead and drop down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame shows us that the Friday candlestick broke above that trend line that was drawn, and I have this horizontal line drawn just to base it off of previous market structure. So yeah, I do expect, like I said, some sort of retest before continuing bullish. We could see price hit the previous market structure, either this level or this level, before going bearish and retesting either this trend line or a possible retest of this horizontal line before continuing upward. If we do see bearish momentum this week, it's got a lot of stuff to break through. It's got to break through this trend line and this trend line and this horizontal line before going down. So that's a lot of resistance to break through. But not saying that it's not possible. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, all of the horizontal lines and the trend lines are the same. This just shows you a little bit better of what we could expect. You can see that towards the end of last week, it was almost all bullish, which is interesting to say the least. You can see this horizontal line is more well respected on the lower time frames. We have a whole bunch of retests. This little area where it did dip down below, but that is a pin bar on the weekly time frame. You can see all of these rejections. So on the weekly time frame, that's just a rejection. However, on the lower time frames, that is, price broke down below and then quickly came back up and stayed above. So with this, kind of the different options that we have, a retest of the trend line before continuing bullish. We do have the opportunity to see this continue to go bullish, retest these levels over here to the left before going bearish and possibly retesting one of these trend lines or this horizontal line over here. Or if we do see a break above this previous market structure, we should see some sort of retest of that structure before continuing bullish, and potentially completing this bat pattern here in the next few weeks. Probably more than a few, but you understand what I'm saying. So that's what I see with GbpNzd this week. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a question in the comments section down below. If you did like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you have any comments, anything, feel free to send me a message on Telegram. My Telegram contact information is in the description down below, as well as my charting channel on Telegram. If you do want to look at any of these charts, I do post them on that charting channel. But yeah, that's it. So thank you for your support, and let's go ahead and move on to the next pair.